Hi, I'm Guy. This is the Guy Our Cook Report. I'm talking about how to use a Facebook container extension on Mozilla Firefox to keep Facebook from tracking you around the web. Now, every time you go to a page, there's a little tracking code on some of them, and pretty soon they're going to sell your stuff. They're going to say, hey, this guy's going to all these websites, blah, 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 and it's worth money. So you go to that add-on, and you can get it. If you go to the show notes, theguyOurCookReport.podbean.com will get you there. And look on the link for how to use Facebook Container by Mozilla Firefox. And I've got the link in the show notes for that there. Okay, I appreciate you taking a minute out of your day to checking us out. If you like us on YouTube, please subscribe or give us a follow or a thumbs up to help that effort. And so, on that stumble, I'm going to say it's a wrap.